Hi there, I'm Alex from Tutoring Heroes, and today we're going to be doing some literacy skills together. Let's go see what we're learning about today. In this lesson, we're going to look at how to use a thesaurus. You use one of these if you're trying to think of a different word, a synonym. For example, if I'm writing a story about a charming prince, I might want to change that adjective, charming, to use something slightly different. A thesaurus is set up in a similar way to a dictionary. It's in alphabetical order, and it often will have a tab along the side to show you which letter you're in. This section is currently in the section I. I want to look up the word charming, which is in the C section. Once you're inside this section, it is in alphabetical order, and if you look in the top corners or at the top of each column, you'll see where you are in the alphabet. So this is currently at CO. I'm looking for CH, which comes earlier in the alphabet, the second letter, H. So I have CHA, and I know that charming is CHA and then an R, which I reached over here, and then I should find the word charming. It says here that charming is an adjective, so it's a describing word. Gives me an example. My mother tells me that I was a charming baby. And then in bold, it tells me all the different words I could swap. So I could say delightful, attractive, pleasant, pleasing, endearing, alluring, disarming, or likeable. So if I'm using this in my story about my charming prince, I could say it's a delightful prince, or he is a likeable prince. You can also get dictionaries and thesauruses, which are all in one book, and this works exactly the same. I will find the word using the alphabetical order, so I want to find the C section, and then I want to find CH. So far I've got CL, which is too far, so I go backwards until I find CHA. I'm at CHE, I'm still too far. I have CHAR, and charming is over in this section over here. In this book I have the dictionary section at the top, and I have the thesaurus section underneath. So up here it says the word charming is to give pleasure or delight, so it tells me how to spell it and its meaning. And then down in this bottom section, the thesaurus section, I have the word charming, and it tells me some of the different words that I can use instead: pleasant, pleasing, endearing, alluring, disarming. So this is a really handy tool if you can get your hands on one of these where you have both the dictionary and the thesaurus all in one. This will definitely help you with your writing. Thanks for watching this video today, brought to you by Tutoring Heroes.